Hello and welcome to Math with Dotun. Alright, we are still in the series area of rectangle and we're finding length or breadth when the area is given. Alright, this is another past questions from the National Common Entrance exam. What is the length of a rectangle whose area is 225 centimeters squared and of breadth 9 centimeters? What is the length of a rectangle whose area is 225 centimeters squared and of breadth 9 centimeters? Alright, so what's the formula again? Can you remind us, record the formula for calculating the length when the area is given? Simply is length equals area divided by breadth. Length equals area divided by breadth. Alright, so do we know the area? The area is given in the formula in the question as 225 centimeters squared. Alright, remember your area is always given in unit squared. Alright, and the breadth is given as 9 centimeters. Remember, if you're watching this in the countries where you don't have a breadth, that is also known as the width. Alright, the breadth is also known as the what? Width. So that means if you're calculating the length, it's the same thing as area divided by width. Alright, because breadth and width are synonymous. Alright, so now that we know our area is 225 centimeters squared and our breadth is 9 centimeters, how do we calculate our length? So as you're watching this video, I'm giving you 10 seconds to calculate and tell me the answer. The time starts now. Alright, I hope you got the correct answer. Now let's check if your answer is correct. So we have 225 centimeters squared divided by 9 centimeters. Okay, so we'll use as short division method. Alright, so we just go 9 into is 0. Alright, we take the 2 to the next number, becomes a tens. So that's 22 here now. So 9 in 22 is, what's the closest multiple of 9 to 22? That is 2. That's 9 times 2, 18, right? Now if you take away 18 from 22, you have 4. You take the 4 as tens to the next digit, so you have 45. 9 in 45. 9 times what is 45? 5. 9 times 5. So since 9 times 5 is 45, 45 divided by 9 is 5. And then we have our answer. Then centimeters, centimeters squared divided by centimeters, we give you centimeters. Alright, so our answer is 25 centimeters. So the length of this rectangle is 25 centimeters. We can check. Alright, and that's the beauty of math. You don't need to wait for your examiner to check. You can to mark you wrong. You can check if you're wrong. So how do we check? Since we divided this by 9 to get 25, then we could do 25 times 9 to check if we have 225. And 5 times 9 is 45. So we write the unit, take the tens. And 9 times 2 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. Checked. So before your examiner would mark you, you're already celebrating. I got it, right? So it's good to always check your work and then just do the reverse operation. So you've done division, then to check, multiply, and then see if you're correct. Alright? And then remember, if you're practicing for an exam, you have to do this with top speed. So speed and accuracy, right? And that you should start mastering from your preparation. So as you practice, prepare for your exams, practice with speed. You can take it at your own pace and then increase your speed as you master the procedure. All right. So what is the length of a rectangle whose area is 225 centimeters squared and the breadth 9 centimeters? So we divided the area by the breadth, and then we have 25 centimeters. God bless you. Bye.